Hi everyone. From today, we will be starting on Go Fiber, which is the fastest web framework for a popular language called Go. I am Anand Chaudhary and I will be your mentor throughout this series. Before we begin with our actual Fiber course, let's actually discuss what do we require beforehand. You will need to install Go on your computer. To check if your computer has Go or not, you can go to your command panel and type Go version, and if you see this message, that means you have Go installed on your PC. And if you already have Go installed on your computer, you'll actually need to have basic understanding of Go. You'll need to know things like how to declare a variable, writing functions, if-else statements, packages, modules, the Go keyword, etc. We won't be going from scratch of Go, but if you want to learn Go from us, you can of course comment it down below and we will surely bring it for you all. Lastly, you will need a code editor. VS Code will be recommended as I will be using VS Code myself. So now let's discuss what will you be able to do after we complete the entire series on Fiber. Of course, you can set up and run your Fiber apps, understand routes and middlewares in Fiber, build REST APIs, dashboards, etc. and all sort of things which you can do on website, you will be able to do on Fiber after we complete this entire series. So now that we have our expectations pretty clear from this series, let's actually start with a short introduction to Go itself. Go, or Golang, which is an open source programming language created by Google back in 2009. The main idea behind Go is to make software development simple, fast, and efficient, unlike some languages that are very easy to learn but painfully slow, or some which are blazing fast but extremely painful and complex to learn itself. Go strikes a balance between both of them. It is designed for performance and scalability, which makes it perfect for things like backend development, microservices, and cloud systems. That's why it is actually used by many companies like Uber, Dropbox, and even Google itself. Since now we are pretty clear about Go and why developers will choose Go over any other language, let's actually discuss why Fiber itself exists. While Go naturally comes with its own built-in web package called net/http and it's really fast. But the problem is it's quite low level. You will have to write a lot of boilerplate code just to do simple things such as routing or handling middlewares. Many developers coming from JavaScript, especially those who use Express.js, miss that simplicity. And that's where Fiber comes in. Fiber gives you that Express-like syntax which is super easy and ready to use, but under the hood, it's built on fast HTTP, one of the fastest HTTP engines in Go. So with Fiber, you get the best of both worlds, the simplicity of Express and the performance of Go. And that itself is the major reason why developers love Fiber. So now that we have understood the reason behind Go and Fiber's existence, let's actually discuss where does this combination shines the most. If your app requires many microservices to be up and running, think of apps like Uber or Netflix, where each part, like user authentication, payments, notifications, etc., run as a separate service. Fiber helps those services stay lightweight and super fast, or you are using REST APIs, which are perfect for handling tons of requests cleanly and efficiently. For example, if you are building the backend of a mobile app or a dashboard, or even an e-commerce API that handles thousands of product features, Fiber can easily manage that load. Not just these. When you want lightweight web apps which are minimal and want speed over anything else, then it is best to use Go with Fiber. And obviously, the best part where this combination shines the most, performance critical backend systems where speed isn't just nice to have, it is a requirement like real time tracking, chat servers, etc., which need to handle millions of events per second. But every time Go and Fiber won't be the perfect choice for you. If you are building very UI heavy apps or complex front end, then Go won't be able to help you much. You are better off using Next.js, React, or popular front end frameworks. And if your team is comfortable with other languages such as JavaScript or Python, then it will just slow you down to teach your team Go and then build with it. And the last point we should discuss is when a project involves a lot of dynamic runtime. Basically, dynamic runtime means features some language have which allows the program to change its own behavior while working or running. Go does not allow that much of a flexibility. It is a statically typed and compiled language, meaning everything is checked before the program runs, which makes it fast and reliable, but less flexible for that kind of dynamic automatic behavior. Alright, so now that we know where using Go makes sense and where it will just make our life harder, let's actually discuss with proofs and numbers about how fast is Go actually. Here we are comparing Go and Node.js, or the two popular frameworks, Fiber and ExpressJS, built on top of them. I took the picture below from Fiber's official documentation and we can clearly see who is winning. At the top we have Fiber Prefork hitting over 13 million requests per second. Even the standard Fiber version handles around 646,000 requests per second, while Express manages only about 280,000. That's a difference of almost 4 to 5 times. And it's all thanks to how Go is built. Go is a compiled concurrent language and it can handle thousands of routines at once. Node, on the other hand, though is asynchronous and is single-threaded, limits its raw performance under heavy load. So, if your app is dealing with massive traffic or needs serious scalability, Fiber is a beast and is the best choice for you. So, that was our last topic for today. Congratulations to making up to the end. We majorly covered theory and comparison between Node and Go today. From next time, we will be directly starting from VS Code to set up our environment to actually start servers in Fiber. We will explore routes and middlewares, eventually making a real world project down the lane. Thank you for being patient and watching it till the end. Hoping to meet you next time. I am signing off. Bye bye.